back.
It's raining man! Hallelujah! It's raining man! Yes, it is! It's raining man! Woo! Hallelujah! It's raining man! It is raining man. It's raining man! Hallelujah! It's raining man! Easy these! Oh, and it's thunder and lightning! Holy crap! It's raining man! Sammy! Come down here! Take off these loafers. Get out! Hey, what's wrong? What's wrong, Marley? Marley, come here. Get your bone. Get it. Come on, dog. Come on. Go lay down. Go lay. That stupid dog don't even listen. Sam! Hurry the heck up. That girl, she's handful. She is a handful. Woo! Gotta let the dogs out. Can't get it in. Can't keep it in there. Can't keep it
Remember when we took our first video in the kitchen?
in. Yeah. We took our first video. Oh man, I just picked my nose.
Oh, I had it.
Ew, hairball!
It's fur ball.
Oh, yuck.
Just hanging around.
Well, do something exciting. Hairball. I already showed them the rain.
Oh. Yeah, it's raining like a son of a bitch.
It's raining man! Which I already discussed with you, so. It's raining man! Hallelujah! It's raining man!
I think it's stopping. It's stopping.
And, well, it thundered. Holy crap, what was that?
I don't know. For the last few days, it's been like this. It'll like rain for like 10 minutes at the most and then stop. So retarded.
Someone help me. I can't get out of this dang household! We're raining!
You wanted to be here and you could go outside, but you get soaked down the hill. What the heck is that? I don't know. Let's spray me.
Doesn't work anywhere.
Okay.
Oh, it tricked on me! Hey, Molly, get up here! Hey, Molly, get up here!
What
Hey, Molly, get up here! Hey, Molly, get up here! Marley? Marley? Go lay down! Go lay down!
Shut up, you big shit.
Go lay down! Go lay down! Good pup.
Wait, I was showing him my dog. He was high fives.
Booty pop. Booty pop.
Riley, come here. Come here, baby. Sit. High five. High five. Wait, for the camera. More high five. Here, move over here. Okay, Mark, high five. High five again. Good girl. Good baby.
Yeah, it's just a dang high five.
Yeah, but my dog gives high fives.
Everybody's dog gives high fives. All dogs I know do. Hey.
I'm soaked.
Oh,
I'm gonna try to catch the gazebo.
Did you get it?
No.
obviously not. It's all the way over. What the hell?
It's been 4 minutes.
It's like sideways.
What are you doing with that out here?
Taking a video.
We're gonna put it back
Back
in
in there,
there.
please.
Yes.
Ew, you're wet.
Oh, I'm overheating. Someone can go. I'm gonna barf.
Sideways. It's like on the side. It's like, come say your goodbye.